Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and yesterday, on my birthday, I lost my keys. And I know a lot of you use the Kanken, and I've been using this for about 2 months, and it is starting to get very floppy, which is great. I love it. However, this is where I normally keep my keys. It is in one of the side pockets. Yesterday was the first time that my keys just slipped out. And I mean, they're hefty keys, but they're not really heavy. But I normally just slide them in there and everything's been fine. However, when I tucked my bag into the booth for breakfast, the keys slipped out. And so I just thought that I would let everybody know that when these kind of get a little bit more floppy, then stuff that, see, this is, I just turned it on its side and it's like they're almost out. So I just thought that I would let people know that once it starts getting a little bit more smooshy, that it might, your stuff might come out. So I just thought I'd let you know that. But I also figured I would go ahead and just show you what I have in here. Since I'm going to be driving most of the day today, I thought that I would let you know. This is normally not in here, but I am going, I need to get my measurements done for our sports, and so I'm going to have my girlfriend Kelly help me with that. And then in here, in this front pocket, which is where I'm probably actually going to put my keys from now on, but I keep my everyday carry, which the things that I normally keep in here. My business card case, then my multi-tool and my knife. I try to keep these with me. And those of you who saw the other video with the leather piece, I just haven't cut that down yet. And then once I do, then these will slip in there. Can you tell what my favorite color is? And so, but I've just been keeping them in here. And so that's all that I keep in that front pocket. And I usually keep it shut. Then inside, I mean, it's got a lot of room. It really does. My new wallet, which is the Waypoint in a passport size from Chic Sparrow. And I will go through that here in a minute. There's a receipt I didn't need to have. Then I have my pocket Zencraft that was a folio that I converted into a traveler's notebook, and it has my Squire, my Baron Fig Squire pen, and it just slips in there. I was not going to use this because I felt like it kind of just sits weird on the inside, but I put it in there and it was just so damn convenient. I'm like, okay, it doesn't really bow out too much, so yeah, went ahead and did that. And then my new, love it, and can I just point out, let me turn the lights just a little bit, my nail color matches perfectly, except it's glittery. I love it, love it, love it. This actually has my Hobonichi Weekly and my bullet journal, my on-the-go bullet journal. So there you have those. Then it has my in this back pocket here, where if you've ever gotten one of these, this is where that little seat pad sits, but I don't need that. So another receipt. Okay, so this is my emergency inhaler, and it's got my extender, my EpiPen, and my inhaler, and it's from Standard Issue Supply, which is the American version of the Supply, or the Superior Labor, pretty much. But I think that's cool. I like that. And then my glasses case, which honestly I hate because it takes so much to like pull that off. Oh, so I'm looking for a new one, but this is the one I use for right now. Oh my gosh, I've got like receipts galore in there. Okay, so, and then last but not least is my bag of stuff. And this is the sack, and it's an embroidered, it's got the gecko on it. And it just has like headphones, Altoids, Carmex, my favorite, this is my favorite lipstick, and it is Plum Perfect. That is my color. I love it so much. Oh, my work badge, a little thing of body lotion, and Advil, toothpicks. I'm telling y'all, this is a magic little bag. It holds everything. Cold medicine, another lipstick. I think this is Clinique. And again, it's another, it's almost the same color as that. It is Root, I can't tell. Oh, Bam Pink. So, then a moist towelette, more cold medicine. Like I said, this is like my just toss in bag. I've got 2 nail files in there. And, oh my gosh, again, a lip pencil that I can use. You can tell I just kind of use a nude. So, get a Kleenex there. 3 Zip Fizzes, a cough drop, and my Buxom lip gloss, which I freaking adore, and a mirror, compact mirror, and what is in that little, oh, Gas X pills, because when you have gastric bypass, holy cow. I've got lactase pills, so because I'm lactose intolerant, and Band-Aids. So we're going to put the, whoop, the moist towelette and the cold medicine back in there. All right, so, I'm just going to try to, I'll pick everything else up, but put this all off to the side. So there's that, but what I also wanted to show you was what I have in my wallet. And it is a Waypoint from Chic Sparrow, and it's in the passport size. And I got this during the Black Friday sale. It has a G2 mini pen on it right now in green. It's the only color I have, but I have a 10-pack coming from Amazon, and because I want to get the orange one to put in there. But I'm using this as my wallet, and it's working out fabulous. I love it. It's got the secretarial pockets on both sides, and that's the only way that they came in the Black Friday sale. So, and then I just have, I've keep some coupons there, and then this is just a wallet insert that I have. I have a whole bunch of these, and so I just put that under the first notebook. Because the one thing I was really worried about is that I didn't have enough card space, but evidently I do. So I did that. So that's my staff ID, my insurance card, my driver's license, and then credit card slots here. Now this is a credit card insert from Midori, from Traveler's Company. And so it's got the zipper pouch and all of that. So I've got 4 credit cards there. And then the zipper pouch, I just keep all of my gift cards there. And then I have a lottery ticket that I'm going to be turning in Boise this year, when I go. And then I have a Fjallraven pocket here. And so in here, I have more credit cards there. And then I just keep cash here, so it's easy to access. And then here I just have more credit cards and any excess stuff that I would put in there. I don't really carry change very much, so it would go in there if I did have it. But yeah, this is an actual Fjallraven pouch. And I thought that, you know, if I needed any more space for credit cards, I would use one of these here, but I didn't need it. So I was like, oh. And then this is one of the mini Dories from Coco Daisy. So they are a passport size, and it's just in here to have if I need it. So yeah, I don't know if I'll use this at any point, but I wanted to have it in here just in case. And then more coupons in the back, and that is my wallet. So Ta-da! It does work. It's perfect. I love the Waypoint so much. So much so I don't know that the Fraser's going to get any use, but I'm going to hang on to the Fraser, and I have a Maverick as well. But what I love about the Waypoint is it kind of just, I mean, it's only been 2 days, and it's kind of conforming to everything, and it just kind of hugs everything that's in there. So, yeah, I want to go and get a new Farouf. I think they have like a mustard color. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. I'm pretty sure they have a mustard color or an olive green. And so I really want to get the olive green or the mustard for this, and then put the blue back in my camel passport from Traveler's Company. But this leather is so freaking amazing. Oh, I love it. And it's actually a smaller profile than any wallet that I've had so far. So, yeah. I love that, and it just feels so nice. So that's what's in my brick Kanken, and I've been loving this thing. It's so easy just to toss over my back, and yeah, it's been nice. So there you have it. I'm going to repack all of this and go upstairs, pack my gear while this is uploading, and then I'm driving to Boise. So Amy Palooza is continuing in Boise, Idaho. I know, most of you are like, really? You're going to Boise to party? But yes, I am, because that's where all my chosen family is. And I've celebrated my birthday up there probably the past 3 years. And so we've always gone dancing, and it's kind of a tradition. And my girl Kelly, my favorite friend, she's my best friend, hello, is moving to New Orleans soon, and we actually didn't think she was going to be here for my birthday, and it was kind of sad, but since she is, because they're still working on selling their house, then I'm taking advantage of that. So there you have it. All right, so that is that. And yes, right now I do have 3 of these together, but you know, this kind of is just the weekly that I'm using in this is for work. And so I could leave this, but I put my bullet journal in here too, my on-the-go bullet journal. And then having this, I like it. So yes, 3 little pockets, or 2 pockets and a passport, but this is my wallet. And right now it's working for me. So there you have it. I hope you guys have a great day. And it's the first day of my 52nd year, and I'm loving it. And I found my keys, so again, watch out what you put in the side pockets here once it starts getting kind of slouchy. So have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Hey everybody. It is Friday, the day after my birthday, and I was literally almost out the door to head to Boise. And I got a shipment from Japan. I had ordered something off of Instagram, of all places, and it was the TSL, the Superior Labor, their samples. And they have a samples Instagram account. And so they had it was a pocket, traveler's notebook and wallet combined. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. And it was super cheap. I mean, like these things are normally like almost $300 new. And I got it for like 60. And and they say that they are samples and they were used as a sample, but they were at the shop. I mean, at the place where it's actually made. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this was out in their shop. Oh my gosh. Handcrafted. It's pure labor. I don't know what's in there. Huh, is there a little price tag? And this is, it's a green leather, which I freaking love. And so you've got the cards over here, and then you've got another card slot here, and then a space for, let's see, I think I've got a field notes up here. Yes, it's even green. So let us, and I think you could possibly put two in here. And there's one there. Let's see if this other one will fit. This is actually not a field notes, but they are, well, it's not quite the same size. I'll grab one of my lunar. What did I just do with it? Oh, I evidently knocked it off. I need to get going, but this is too awesome. So it will hold 2 field notes, which is lovely. And then you can put, there's a pin clip. And this one, this one has a grip on it. So, ooh, there we go. One of my Cocoa Daisy ones. It does not. It just has a regular clip. Lovely. So, yeah. That is awesome. So it looks like the snap has patinaed a little bit. So I'll just have to get my metal or my jewelry cloth and clean that off. But that's awesome. It was such a good deal. Ugh. And when I was looking online to see the inside, because they didn't actually show a picture of what the card slot looked like, I was looking for that. And I was trying to look for it, and I could not find the green anywhere. So I don't know that they actually mass-produced the green ones. Just even better. So, and then you've got that little pocket right there that I can put cash in, or whatever I wanted to do. So yay! Even though I currently love my wallet that I'm using from Chic Sparrow, this will be a great addition. So I may give this a try out later on. So put those back, and yeah, it is awesome. I'm so excited it got here. Y'all know how much I love the superior labor. So, all right. So this is very, very exciting. I'm very happy that this got here. I'm loving the patina that it's getting. So, yay. All right. So with that, I am headed to Boise. So I will check in later today.